YouTube channel. Today we'll be doing an unboxing and complete product review of this. This is Softbox lighting kit or umbrella studio light set.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
This YouTube channel is actually a one-woman YouTube channel. I don't have any staff that works for me. And if you noticed on my videos, it's a stable shots. It does not move, does not zoom in, zoom out, does not do left and right, up and down. And usually, especially for workout videos, just to make sure I get a complete shot, especially if I have to jump, or I have to raise my hands, or I have to move places, move to another position. For example, burpee, from standing up, I have to go down on the floor. I have to take the videos on a long range shot. And I always ask friends how's my video when they watch it on their devices. And I actually have friends who are professional photographers outside the Philippines, abroad, who do professional pictures, professional videos, and I always ask them, and I always get the same response. They say that I have a good quality video. It's just that I lack lighting. They were saying like it has unwanted light, unwanted shadow. It's not a complete view. I have a ring light, but it's not really sufficient that will light up the whole room. And they were saying, get an umbrella light, get a studio light. And that's what I have here today. This is a Softbox lighting kit or umbrella lighting kit. I got this from Lazada last 12/12 sale. This is around less than 2,000 pesos or 40 USD. I forgot the name of the seller, but you could check it out on Lazada. I'm sure it's also available in Shopee. So on this video, we will do an unboxing, setup, complete product review, and at the end of the video, I'll also show you some sample pics, sample videos using with and without this umbrella lighting kit or Softbox kit. So let's do the unboxing first. So there, I actually got a pair of Softbox lighting kit or umbrella studio lighting set. So I got a pair of umbrella, a pair of bulbs, and a pair of tripods. So let's set it up. First is, let's set up the tripod. So there. Actually, this tripod, it can go as short as 67 centimeters. It can go as high as 160 centimeters. And what's good about this kind of tripod, it has locks. So if you want to go high or low, all you have to do is turn the knob to lock it like that. And then let's open the umbrella light or the Softbox. Good about the Softbox or the umbrella, it can go different angles. It can do 210 angles. You could, if you want it facing up or facing down, turn the knob and lock it to keep it steady. There. And then this one will have to push it down to lock it there. Push it down like that. This umbrella light is actually 50 by 70 centimeters. So it's quite big and it's steady like that. And let's put in the bulb. For the bulb, this is I got a 47 watts bulb. And what I like about this studio light, this bulb, because actually I have my ring light is almost fading out, losing its light already. And with this one, you can buy higher watts, lower watts, depending on your preference, and you can replace it. And then put in the diffuser. Oops. There. It has Velcro in the side to lock the diffuser there on each side. Ayan. Diba? So neat. It comes with a bag, so it's easy to just pack it away, put it inside your own storage box. So let's set up the other one. Neat, diba? Another thing I like about the Softbox is its plug. It's normal 220 plug. Unlike my ring light uses a USB adapter. So it needs another adapter, unlike this one. Just plug it, play. Plug lang, go na. So it's really convenient. I don't need to use a plug for this. What I need is extension wires. That's what I'm gonna do. So that's about it. Unboxing, setup, product review, and sample pick, sample videos using with or without Softbox lighting kit or umbrella studio lighting set. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below. Or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.